Welcome dear children. In this session we are going to learn comparing decimals. We know how to compare whole number. For example, if the number is like 947 and the other number is suppose 954. Now when we want to compare it, we first see the number of digits. Here the number of digit is 3, here also the number of digit is 3. So now we have to see the first digit. Here the first digit is 9, here also the first digit is 9. Now second we see the second digit here is 4, here is 5. Simply we can say that 947 is less than 954. So in this way we can compare. If the number is like this, suppose 97, other number is suppose 349. Now here number of digit is 2, here number of digit is 3. So we can easily see that 97 is smaller than 349. Now how to compare decimals? We know that how to compare decimal. So when we compare decimal, first we have to see, suppose we are comparing the decimal 3.7, another decimal is 13.3. Now first we will see the numbers before decimal point. Here the number before decimal point is 3, here the number before decimal point is 13. So we can say that 3.7 is less than 13.3. 3.7 is less than 13.3. Next, suppose the number will be like 4.8 and suppose 5.1. 4.8 and 5.1. Here the digit before decimal point is 1, here also the digit before decimal point is 1. Now we will see which digit is there. Here digit before decimal point is 4, here digit before decimal point is 5. So we can say that 4.8 is less than 5.1. Now when the digits are same, for example 7.92 and here suppose 7.58. 7.92 and 7.58. So first we will see the digit before decimal point. Here it is 7, here also it is 7. Now next step we have to do is we have to see the digit after decimal point. Here the digit after decimal point, there are 2 digits after decimal point, here also 2 digits after decimal point. Here 9, here it is 5. So we will first see the first digit after decimal point. So here the first digit after decimal point is 9, here the first digit after decimal point is 5. So we can say that 7.92 is greater than 7.58. 7.92 is greater than 7.58. Now let us see the number if the number of digit is not same. For example 18.63 and here suppose it is 18.497. 18.63 and 18.497. So first we will see, here it is 18, here also it is 18. So these both are same. Now we will see the first digit. Here also we will see first digit. This is one method. Either we will see the first digit. So here it is 6, here it is 4. Means definitely this number is greater. Second method is convert them into like decimal. Like decimal means just add 0 here. Now after decimal point, here also 3 digit, here also 3 digit. So we can compare it. The like decimal. We can compare the like decimal. So to convert them into like decimal, we need to add 0. So once we had add 0 here, then it will be 630. Here it is 497. So we can say that 8.630 is greater than 18.497. The same way, let us do one more example. Suppose 5.7, here it is suppose 5.700, 5.700. Here it is 5.7, here it is 5.700. So when we convert it into like decimal, it will be 5.700. It means these both are equal. Now again, if we want, let us say suppose 13.097, here it is suppose 13.13. So again we need to convert it into, either we need to convert or we need to compare. Here it is 13, here it is 13, after decimal point here 0, after decimal point here 1. So we can say that this is greater, or we can add 0 here, so it is 130, here it is 097, so this will greater. So in this way we can compare the decimals. Okay, we can compare directly by seeing the digits, or we can convert it into the like decimals and then we can convert it. Now let us see exercise 8.3. Let us see exercise 8.3. We need to do it in textbook only. You have to do in notebook also. Okay. Now exercise 8.3 is which is greater. Here two number is given. We have to find out which is greater. Here it is 0.3 or 0.4. So which one is greater? We can say 0.4 is greater. I am just doing tick. You can write also that 0.4 is greater. In the same way, B is 0.07 or 0.02. So which one is greater? Here 0, here also 0, after decimal point 0, 0.72. So 0.07 is greater. C is 3 or 0.8. 3 or 0.8. Here before decimal point 3 is there. Here before decimal point 0 is there. So we can say 3 is greater. Now 0.05 or 0.0, 0.5 or 0.05. So here if we convert them into like, then 0.50, here it is 0.05. So 0.50 is greater. In the same way, if we see the E, then it will be 1.23 or 1.2 is there. When we add 0, convert into like, so it will be 1.23, 1.20. So 1.23 is greater. In the same way, F1 is 0.099 or 0.19. Here 0, here also 0 point, here 0 is there, here 1 is there. So definitely this is greater. Or we can add 0 also, then also it is 190, it is 099. So this is greater. 1.5 or 1.50. So when we add 0 here, it will become 1.50. This is also 1.50. So both are equal. We can write here equal to sign, that both are equal. In the same way, 1.431 or 1.490. 1 here, 0.44. Here 3 is there, here 9 is there. So this one is greater. 1.490 is greater. 3.3 or 3.300. Here it is, if we add 00, then again both are equal. So we can write here equal to sign. Again 5.64 or 5.603. Add 0. 5.640, 5.603. So 5.640 will be greater. So make 5 more example and find the greatest number from them. This you can do by yourself. Here we end our exercise 8.3. This you have to write down in notebook. This is your homework. Thank you.